On today's episode of Band of Bros, Rich plays League in his main. Also, are Anivia's walls a reference to Donald Trump? Find out now. Yeah, Soraka, no. No, look, I don't know where you think you're going with that flash. Like, what? Look what you make me do, Soraka. Look what you make me do. Alright, there goes Soraka. Silencing me and whatever. So I just wall up right here, and we'll miss a Q. But no, Ash thinks otherwise. Then I go in right for the kill.
Got something for you, bitch. Got something for you.
Alright, you're not gonna say anything, huh?
Oh my god. Fuck you, Soraka. Fuck you, Soraka.
Alright, so we're getting Baron, right? Okay, here we go. So we got Baron. It's going. Alright. So my whole team backs. But no, the fuckery must continue. So I go back. Oh, cheesing him. Alright. I have like no HP right now. Comes back for the Q and dies. Oh my god, Olaf thinking he could make a difference in this world. But no, I successfully escaped.
YouTube. Ooh! Fuck you, Soraka! Pissed off, Soraka. Alright, that's one. Here comes two.
Really, Nick? Really, Nick?
I don't. You flash when I auto. Like, what?
Really, nigga?
Alright, this is part of a new, other, match that I did after that one. That one, quit. I think we lost this one, I don't remember. But yeah, check this out. Look at that E, right? Misfortune, ult, Echo goes back. Rises on the run. Olaf shows on the scene. He's coming up, but no, just before he could get away, I trump wall that guy. Okay. Ult. This is kind of awkward, because now he doesn't know who to go for. Goes for Morgana, doesn't kill me for some reason. And yeah, an ace. And yeah, so as we can see here, we got a Call of Duty Misfortune over here taking the Baron, which is kind of impressive at this elo. So yeah,
What?
kick ass. Alright, now this one was a little intense. Now let's take a look. I even rage here, watch.
Oh,
a
you're
little bit.
fucking joking. Dashed out of it.
But just before I leave, I'll take that Lucian kill. And now I gotta make my great escape. So just running along, really cutting it close here. And here's a good way to use your wall right here. Use it right on the corner right there, and you can easily get out of things like that. And I'm home free. And denied. Alright, now here comes the slow-mo trick shot Anivia E right here. Right now. And skadoink.
Alright, now here's an Anivia kill. Pretty hard to land sometimes. Just gonna fast forward really quick, as you can see. But Anivia kill is possible if you play as Anivia. Just gotta be really good at it, and have the right timing, and your enemy has to be a complete moron to fall for it. Usually. Here it goes.
Well, alright, that's it for my Anivia Rich plays Anivia mid league main thing. I main Anivia a lot. I've been playing Anivia, I think, ever since I started League for quite some time, so I've landed some very stupid, hilarious, retarded-looking kills, to be honest. Um, I'm probably just gonna make more Anivia videos, because I main her, like I said, I play her all the time, and probably just throw some like tips and tricks out there in case you're looking to play Anivia or try her out yourself after what I just did with her. There's some cool like wall tricks that you can pull off and all that kind of thing. So yeah, be sure to comment, rate, subscribe, whatever, share it. Join the band. Join the band of bros. Thanks for watching.